Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan, and today I am on a mission. Recently I've heard about the Deep Door urban legend. Now, the legend goes that somewhere between the world and the mind lies deep doors. Now, from what I've heard, there is somewhere hidden in these woods a deep door, and we're gonna go and find it, or see if we can find it.
Ooh, future Austin here. The gameplay lags a few times and it freezes, but it fixes pretty quickly. Just so if the video starts freezing, it's me, not you.
Better keep my car here, away from this cabin. Yeah, don't want the cabin to accidentally bump into your vehicle when it starts driving. That would be a shame, huh? It's me, HardDuckMan. I'm here to investigate some paranormal anomalies. Whose car is this? His van. He could be around. Maybe we come back another time. This doesn't seem like the best time. Should I leave? No. I'm gonna stay. The door's locked. There must be a key on the farm somewhere. Where's your key? Is it hidden underneath a rock? Where's your rock key? Why is everything gone silent? Hello? Oh, what's that red light? There's a red light. I'm gonna follow that. Whoa. Is that the door? Is that a door? What is that? Is he taking a shit? Excuse me, sir. Pick up. I picked it up. Oh, why was that so scary? It was just a toilet. It's just a toilet. Yeah. Now I have the key. Let's get in here. Sir, hello. If you're in there, I have reason to suspect you are harboring a deep door. A deep door? Excuse me, sir. Oh. Hey, I'm Detective Duckman. I'm here to investigate your deep door. I don't know if it was you who called me on the phone or the paranormal. It's all static, but I can hear someone speak his name. Who speak his name? Who shut the door? Who shut his door? Do they have one of those retractable systems set up in the door where it just automatically shuts? Because that's cool. That's great that they have that system going. That's an awesome, great system. Try E key. I'm out of here. Okay, goodbye. Leaving that place. This van gonna be around. I'm leaving. I'm going back to my vehicle. I'm taking a quick breather. Is my car all good? Is my car okay? Yeah, it is. Better keep my car away from the cabin. We don't want him seeing us. With our flashlight and unlocking his house door and all that. No. Try key. Oh, I found a note. Dear Jeff, I can feel them everywhere now. I don't know how to thank you for this. You're most welcome to visit at any time. Signed, Ted. Ted? What's everywhere? Is it your poop stains, Ted? I don't mean to make fun of your issues with keeping the poo-poo in your butt. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be insensitive. But that's just kind of funny. Is there a door? Maybe it's the door in the house. Yeah, let's use our detective skills. Yeah? Let me interact with the TV again. It's all static, but I can hear someone speak his name. Who's speaking? There's a gun! Holy shit! Can I take the gun? No, I'll better leave it there. I don't want him to know that I've been in his house when I'm barging. Oh! There's something behind this. Oh, God, I did not see that. Sir, it seems you got a secret compartment. Is there a... This is it? Oh, God, did I just go through the door? I just went through the door. I went through the door. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm in a bad spot. I just went through a deep door. I wasn't really prepared. I really should have just brought the gun. So this is a deep door. This is full of meat. I did not expect deep doors to be so meaty. Oh, I hear someone clanking. Ted, is that you? Did I just see someone? Wait. Can I play that? Was that just that? I think it was just that. Okay, I'm crazy. Ted? Oh, I hear thumpings. Who? What the fuck is that sound? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is that? What the fuck? What is that? Hello, sir! Run the other way! Ah! My detective abilities did not get me ready for this! Run! I came through the shitter. Here, I came through the shitter. Oh, can I wipe my ass? Because I think I just shit myself. I think I just shit my pants. Let me touch it. My butthole is shitted. I shit my ass. I shit my ass. Go in there again? Seriously? Yeah. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Oh, my God. Was that the ending? Was there any more secrets? Can I, like, go through the door and then leave? Can I do that? I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that quickly. Oh, God. Oh. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I hate this place. I don't know the deeper meaning to what the fuck a deep door is, but I don't think I want, I don't want to be a detective anymore. I don't want to be a detective anymore. I don't want to be a detective. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh. I'm in the poop. I'm in the poop room again. Okay. Okay, out of the poop room. No more poop room. Goodbye, poop room. Okay. All right. This time, I'm not going back in. I'm going straight to my car. Can I just leave? Can I just leave? Maybe, please. Oh, no. No, I can't. I can't leave. I can't leave. Oh! I guess I can. I guess I can. Well, what did I gain from that experience as a detective? So, a deep door, at least that deep door that was connected to the shitter, the poop room, is a otherworldly realm full of meat, human tissue, tissues of different organisms, screaming and growling and anger issues. I have lots to learn about what deep doors are, but for now, that marks the end of the story of the deep doors. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video. Comment what you think about the deep doors. Think there's any more of them? You think they're different or think they're all similar? Let me know. Turn on post notifications and share the video with a friend if you haven't. With all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, peace.